Nintendo president Tatsumi Kimishima will step down at the end of June, the company announced along with its latest financial earnings report. Kimishima will retire from his position as of June 28, pending approval from shareholders, according to a company statement. At that time, his replacement will assume the title of director and representative president. That person is Shuntaro Furukawa, who currently heads the global marketing department of Nintendo. Furukawa has been with Nintendo since 1994, and has worked in other roles during his tenure. He is also the external director of the Pokémon Company and the executive director of Nintendo. But the most interesting thing about naming Furukawa as Kimishima's successor is his age. Furukawa was born in 1972. He will be 46 years old when he starts his new job as president. That is a significant difference from Kimishima, who turned 68 earlier this month. At 46, Furukawa will be much closer to Satoru Iwata, the former president and CEO who died in July 2015 after more than a decade as head of Nintendo. While Iwata was 55 when he died, the beloved head of the company took over the year of his 43rd birthday. With his youth, he brought a special kind of energy to Nintendo, where he was his first new boss in over 50 years. Kimishima's tenure in office, though much shorter than that of Iwata or former president Hiroshi Yamauchi, will also be remembered fondly for his successes. Nintendo Switch was launched 18 months after Kimishima became president in September 2015, and remains a source of sales. We have also seen some of the best Nintendo games during the 2.5 years of Kimishima as president.